Hi, this is Leah Myers of Myers Design Studio. And today I just wanted to show you a little bit of what I'm doing in the studio that I do a lot of my sewing in. I am redoing it. I have a huge wall back here, as you can see, and I have taken out most of my stuff. All of that stuff in the corner over there was, I had a temporary table, like a plastic table with some shoe things on it. I know the light's not too good, so I'll get under the lamp. I had a temporary table, a plastic table, and now I'm redoing it. And redoing this whole room. And I will just show you. Let me turn this around. Don't want to make you too sick. But there's a stand-up desk right there, and there's a big window. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you the before. Actually, the true before would have been, there's my Sweet 16. I've got my rulers, and they're in a nice little stand there. And it's all kind of a mess. I have it in the other room, just sitting there. But anyway, I just wanted to show you the before shot. And let me turn this out so I can see. The before shot, before I put all those pretty shelves on this wall right here. I went with the Ikea set of things because it was I only had about 76 inches across to work with, and a certain height. I could go up higher, but my room is not big. I am really fortunate that they had these shelves already built into the room, and that's been really handy. But anyway, this is the before. This is pretty. And now I want to make this wall pretty. So anyway, I'll show you in the next thing, which will be right after this, like magic. All right, this is my new sewing room quilting studio, or at least remodeled a little bit. I added more shelves. It's a big improvement on what I used to have. There's the other side of the room. You see my stand-up sit-down table. And I didn't have enough room for the cabinet, so I had to kind of put some in the corner there. Even though I designed it for that, sometimes when you design it on paper, it doesn't fit the way you want it to. So it's always a work in progress. But everything works well. The pegboard from Ikea, oh my goodness, it's great. And those shelves where the thread is sitting on, those are from Amazon. You put them in the bathroom. They're for bathroom shelves, but they looked really nice. I wanted everything kind of white because that's a very dark wall back there. And that Kallax system, I left one of the shelves out and I put my rulers in it. I'm showing you a bottom shot of the weightless quilter there. That's actually an umbrella caddy from Amazon that came in 2 pieces. Yep, and there's that fabulous pegboard. Love it. Love it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.